Welcome to the Cookie Club, where cookies help us learn about coins and kindness. In the Cookie Club, we spend with care, share with pride, give with heart. So grab your piggy bank, cheer for your crew, and get ready to shine. This is the Cookie Club, where money smarts begin with sweet fun.
I remember when I almost spent it all at the carnival. I earned my cookie. I saved it. I thought glow would last forever, but glow fades. Now I've got one cookie left, and 4 friends watching. This campaign isn't about hiding. I'm choosing not just who gets a bite, who gets to feel seen. This is my cookie campaign, and every chip I share, that's a story someone gets to tell.
Great job today, Zay'li. You saved, you shared, you sparkled the glow. All right, Cookie Club, grab your coins, grab your kindness, and let's light up the room.
We've got chocolate chips and a move, saving up coins for our cookie tricks. One for me, one for you, one to give away. Money's a tool we use every day. Spending our share, dance along, clap to the beat of the money song. Cookies and kindness in every plan, growing our goals 'cause we know we can. Track 'em, count each bite. Budget with sprinkles, do it right. From piggy banks to cookie jars, we're money smart little superstars.